So, very good afternoon to all. So, I had this question that why we are studying the literature which was written in 1850. So, what is this is seems very old. So, what is the relevance of today? So, in present time. So, I am just trying to connect it with present time. So, The Scarlet Letter is a novel by Nathaniel Hawthorne. It is a historical fiction published in 1850, and it is one of the first mass-produced books in America. Okay. So, as we know, Hester Prynne is the protagonist and among the first and most important female protagonists in American literature. So, in the novel, we find that her husband is not with her. He presumed as dead. So, after presumed as he is dead, she has a love affair with Arthur Dementor. So, she has a sexual relationship with him. So, it is very individual choice and her choice. But she convicted as to the crime of adultery and imprisoned and being punished because adultery is a sin and a crime in Christian religion or in society. But we are more concerned with Hester as she is very rebellion and fight against society, and she has no guilt. She has not no guilt. But what we find in today's society, so we found that society is hell, others are hell. But what about today's concept? So in India, adultery was a crime under Indian law section of 1497 IPC makes adultery a criminal offense and prescribes a punishment of imprisonment up to 5 years and fine. So the Supreme Court says that why each partner of the marriage has equal responsibility. So why should the women make more load than the man? That is reason we call it urgent. So it is the law which said that treated women as a male property and a husband is not the master of wife. So this is very recent example that Supreme Court banned this law in India on 27th September 2018. So this is really very recent example. So there was adultery law in India. More than 16 countries around the world had done away with this law. But UK adultery is not a criminal offense, but it is criminal offense in Islamic countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan. It is a crime in Islam, crime in Indonesia. So in some countries, this is not a sin or any crime, but still there are some countries where the adultery is still is crime and is a sin. So I have compared Hester's character with both Desdemona and Ahalya. So when we look Othello by Shakespeare, so it is work about 17th century. So Othello misunderstood his wife that she has affair with his friend. So she was punished by her husband, but she was innocent. And Ahalya was also punished by Maharshi Gautam, her husband, as she has committed adultery. Now here both are innocent, but still they are punished by their husband. If Hester's husband is not dead, so society is punishing. But if your husband is with you, then he has right to punish you. So I have also taken this example of movie Aitras. So I have this slogan is very problematic that in the world of women, you either play by their rules or or there is dot dot dot. So what this mean by after rules or what is mean by this dot? So this is very problematic. This is very recent example. So in conclusion, we have this question that after decades, after century, the situation has changed or not. The situation is same. And what about society? Yes, we always trying to escape from society. that others are hell, society is very bad doing this, we have no freedom. But who are this society, who are these people? These the people are we are this society, because we haven't any problem with this adultery laws. It was somebody who lives out of India, and who challenged these rules of this law of adultery offense in India. But we haven't any problem with this. And what about existentialism and women? So there should be theory of existentialism of and women, because the, women have there is a rule over women of society of men. So women's life are more absurd. So women's life are more absurd, and we have no individual freedom. Is it a man or a woman? Women have more problem of this, that no individual freedom, no choice, cannot do whatever they want to do. So this novel is still relevant to today's time. Still there is adultery. Yes, the law has banned, but still society has not accepted this adultery as very normal. This is still seen in our society. So this is a work citation, and thank you.
Okay, good. Good. Now, see a couple of things like Simone de Beauvoir, if you refer, then she is existentialist feminist, and many of the arguments that came in feminism, they are also being borrowed from existentialist philosopher. Okay? So Simone de Beauvoir is a very well-known existentialist philosopher, and very important arguments are given also there. It was a good point about adultery that was also taken. So it was in a way very well argued. You made one point that in Islamic countries adultery is still punishable act, but do you have any source for that? With the help of which source
I
do you
have
say?
mentioned one article in a citation.
Which one is that which speaks about this particular one? If you can very quickly remember it.
This second one, Datta Prabhashak, what is adultery law?
Hmm.
No. First one, Viswas Saufik, adultery no longer a criminal offense in India. BBC News,
Hmm.
BBC New Delhi.
Yeah. In that, have you found this one
Yes,
being
yes,
referred? And this now,
yes.
see, yeah, okay. Now, see, both the citations, if you see Datta and Biswas, that also has still a problem. Okay, it should not begin with www.google.com. Are you seeing the problem in the URL?
Yes.
These are faulty URLs. Yeah, it is. These are the search results. So you have to go to the exact site rather than the search results there. Yeah. Okay, fine. Good, but it was still good, well argued paper. Yeah. Okay. Anybody else is remaining? Komal is present. Komal.
Yes, sir, I'm present.